As we enter the distillery, you'll be amazed by its sheer size. This facility produces millions of liters of whiskey annually, enough to fill Olympic-sized swimming pools. The journey begins with grain selection, a crucial step that sets the foundation for flavor. Barley, corn, rye, and wheat are the primary grains used, each contributing unique characteristics to the final product. Next, we'll explore the malting process. Here, grains are steeped in water and allowed to germinate, activating enzymes essential for fermentation. Now that our grains have sprouted, it's time for them to take on a new form. Ever wondered why some whiskeys taste sweeter than others? The answer lies in a carefully controlled process that extracts sugars from grains. This stage sets the foundation for the whiskey's entire flavor journey. Welcome to the mashing process, where science meets culinary artistry. Here, the malted grains are ground into a coarse flour called grist. This grist is then mixed with hot water in large vessels known as mash tuns. The mixture of grist and water is called the mash. Temperature control is crucial during this stage. The water is typically heated to around 63°C-67 °C. This specific temperature range activates enzymes in the malted grains, which break down the starches into fermentable sugars. It's a delicate balance. Too hot, and the enzymes are destroyed. Too cool, and they won't work efficiently. The mashing process usually takes about an hour. During this time, the mash is stirred continuously to ensure even heat distribution and maximize sugar extraction. The result is a sweet liquid called wort, which contains all the fermentable sugars that will eventually become alcohol. Different whiskey styles require different mash bills or grain recipes. For example, bourbon must contain at least 51% corn in its mash bill, while rye whiskey must have at least 51% rye. The remaining percentages can be made up of other grains like barley or wheat. These variations in mash bills contribute significantly to the final flavor profile of the whiskey. Let's take a closer look at how these mash bills affect flavor. Corn contributes sweetness and a full body to the whiskey. Rye adds spicy notes and a drier finish. Wheat brings a softer, smoother character, while malted barley provides nutty, toasty flavors. By adjusting the proportions of these grains, master distillers can create a wide range of flavor profiles. For instance, a high Rayab Bourbon might have a mash bill of 60% corn, 35% rye, and 5% malted barley. This would result in a whiskey with the sweetness of Bourbon but with a spicy kick from the rye. On the other hand, a wheated bourbon might replace the rye with wheat, creating a softer, more